So my first role when I first joined Blue Prism, I was a corporate development analyst. So that I was involved in a lot of different projects across the business, and that gave me an opportunity to really understand how the business operated. It opened me to new opportunities every kind of couple of months, really. It increased my networks because I worked with pretty much every single function across the business, and I really got to understand the business and how it operated. The biggest lesson that I've learned at Blue Prism is building up your confidence and saying no is okay, and we've had a lot of training and development to do that. Also some negotiation skills and presentation skills. You kind of build up your confidence throughout your time here. The unique thing about Blue Prism is that you are very much encouraged to take those opportunities. Elsewhere you may have the opportunity to take on a different role or go in a different direction in the business, but the business might not encourage you to do that, but you're very much encouraged to do that at Blue Prism. There's definitely some challenges with working at Blue Prism because it's so fast-paced, you never know what the day's going to bring, but it's always really exciting because, to me, if you don't know what you're going to be doing every morning, then that's quite exciting. But there's so many opportunities to develop yourself very, very quickly at this company, and that's something that I was very keen on doing. So it was a definite yes from me when I was considering my role at Blue Prism.